Welcome to another installment of Grammar for Kids. In today's edition, we will delve into the intricacies of possessive apostrophes. Apostrophes delicately signify ownership, acting as sophisticated markers. In the expression of possession, we utilize apostrophes with elegance to convey that an entity distinctly belongs to someone. To provide clarity, here are few cases. The cat's tail is fluffy. The sentence tells us that the tail belongs to the cat. The teacher's desk is organized. The desk belongs to the teacher, and the apostrophe indicates possession. My sister's laptop is new. The laptop belongs to my sister as indicated by the apostrophe. The company's profit have increased. The profit belongs to the company, and the apostrophe shows possession. The student's project received an A+. The project belongs to the student, and the apostrophe signifies ownership. Congratulations, you have just ventured into the world of possessive apostrophes. Stay tuned for an exciting journey through more captivating and informative grammar lessons.